Hey guys, it's Mr. G, and we are taking a look at a new option in Flipgrid. So you respond the same way you normally would do, except these three lovely dots. Look at this, screen recording beta. So I can now select that and then click start screen recording. I'm going to click on this entire screen option for now and click share. You could do application window, which might be even better. So now I'm underway. Maybe I'm going to share some of my slides, or maybe, some of our students had their animations and you pull up your animation and you're going to show that. Maybe you're going to share a graphic design or maybe a series of graphic designs. Notice I'm able to click through the tabs. Maybe somebody's going to show part of their video game. It doesn't matter what you're going to save, but once you're done, you're going to click the stop sharing button. So now I'm underway. Maybe I'm going to share. It'll walk you through the whole thing. Once you're done, you're going to click next, just like you would before. For the selfie, there's my lovely selfie. Click next. Then it's going to run its course just like a regular video would have done. And if you need to give it a title, you can go ahead, give your title, and then you click submit video. And boom, that's it. You did it. You now can screencast and turn them in on Flipgrid. Try not to express too much excitement, but I have to admit, I'm pretty excited.